Hi, my name is Kristine Canniff, and I'm the Research Program Manager and Acting Associate Director at the Food and Beverage Innovation Center at Niagara College. We are an accelerator, and we work with food and beverage companies to help solve their challenges and bring their products to shelves. We do this by offering research expertise and our state-of-the-art labs and equipment, which provides great value to clients and students who get hands-on experience working on real projects. Much of our equipment is actually funded by CFI, and for that we are very grateful. At the Food and Beverage Innovation Center, we have a well-equipped product development kitchen, molecular analytical equipment, beverage analytical laboratories, and a HACCP-certified beverage pilot plant that enables us to support the food industry in many different areas. We are very proud to be listed on CFI's Research Facilities Navigator platform. It's a great resource for companies that provides access with a one-stop shop to research institutions across Canada. Thank you to CFI's investment in our Innovation Centre, and on behalf of the Niagara College community, congratulations on the 10th anniversary of launching Navigator, and we look forward to continuing to drive research and innovation excellence across Canada.